Hello viewers, today I'll show you the regular way of making Bengali fish fry and Bengali fish curry using the Parshe Mach or the mullet fish, a very popular Bengali fish. Here I have 8 Parshe fish pieces that have been descaled and gutted. I'll use 4 to make the fish fry and 4 to make the fish curry. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder for the fish curry. I'll also need some slit green chilies, some crushed ginger and 1 teaspoon of kalo jeera, as well as 1 brinjal or begun cut into large chunks. Let's season the fish with salt, turmeric and red chili powder. And rub the spices into the fish nicely. That's the fish seasoned. Now we need to season the brinjal or the begun in the same way with salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Rub the spices into the vegetable well, and that's the brinjal seasoned. Heat some mustard oil in a large pot to fry the Parshe Mach. Put the Parshe Mach in when the oil is hot. I am making Parshe Mach Bhaja first, so I am frying the fish on high heat. Turn the fish over after 3 to 4 minutes. You can see that it is nicely browned up on one side. And fry the fish on the other side as well for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure that the fish browns up nicely on both sides and then take them out. And that's our delicious Parshe Mach Bhaja done. Now it's time to make Parshe Macher Jhol or Parshe fish curry. We need to shallow fry the Parshe Mach first. So just fry them in the same pot for a minute or two on both sides and then take them out. That's the fish shallow fried. Now we need to lightly fry the beguns in the same oil. Stir them about for 2 to 3 minutes. And then take them out. Add the kalo jeera into the same pot along with the crushed ginger and chilies and fry them together for a minute. I have added water to the powdered spices and blended them together, and now I am going to add it to the pot. Keep the flame low and fry the blended spices. It's important that you don't burn them, so keep stirring till the masala thickens up. And then add the shallow fried beguns to the pot and mix them with the spices. Then add enough water to cook the beguns and the fish. Give the pot a stir and cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the lid off and make some space in the pot for the fish to go in. Add the Parshe fish to the pot. Handle them with care, they are a bit delicate. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You can see that our beautiful Parshe Mach has cooked through nicely and is ready for serving. Let's plate up our delicious Parshe Macher Jhol in a beautiful plate. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and serve this delicious Bengali fish curry with some boiled rice for a delicious lunch or dinner. Parshe Mach Bhaja is served before Parshe Macher Jhol, and both are equally delicious since the fish is very flavorful. Subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more such Bengali recipes. Enjoy!